Hello creative mind, welcome home. I'm Survival and I'll be showing you the breakdown of how I played the song. So this is how I play this run. I only play two chords on my right hand, which is so, do, re, so, and then do, fa, so, do. So, but the thing is, when I play it, I come back. The first one is this: so, do, re, do, so. And then I will take it again: so, do, re, do, so. And then the second one is this: do, fa, so, fa, do. I'll take it again: so, fa, do. So it's just like playing it and coming back. The so, do, re, so, I play it two times, and then the do, fa, do, I play it two times. So on my left hand, what I play is just do, la, fa, so. When I play the first do, I play so, do, re, so, re, do, so. And then I play la, I repeat it again: so, do, re, re, do, so. And then I play fa. Then that is when I play fa, do, so, fa, do. And I then play so on my left again: do, so, fa, do. So I'll take it again: so, do, re, re, do, so. La, so, do, re, re, do, so. Fa, so, fa, do, so, so, fa, do. Again: re, do, so. La, so, do, re, do, so. Fa, so, fa, do, so, so, fa, do. So I'll take it slowly for you to get it. Then if you are new to my channel and you want to be notified whenever I upload new videos online, I will advise you to use the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. With that, it will enable you to get notification anytime I upload new videos online. If you learned one or two things from my videos, please click the like button and share with your friends so that others will know that my videos have some useful content. I would so much love to hear from you. I would so much appreciate your comments. And if there is any tutorial you want me to make, please drop it as a comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. God bless you.